Welcome to the 2022 RuneScape 3 Halloween event. So I'm just doing the last, or I should say the newest MiniQuest, which is Fame's MiniQuest. And so she just handed me a gilded box, and I'm about to go and find out um, um, the investigation, um, the investigation at the vampire monuments. Which one is at the border of Mortania, or I should say next to Verrock, and the other is just outside of the Drainer Manor. So we're gonna go there right now. Alright, let's do it. So first teleport to Drainer Manor, and teleport to Drainer Manor. And now that we teleported to Drainer Manor, we're gonna go west. Okay, we're gonna go west, and now we found one of the vampire monuments right here. We just click on it. It says the well is covered in dust. Cleaning it will investigate further. So what we're gonna choose is Fame's fan first. Using this item gently blows the dust away. It displays a small circular slot, like some object should be placed there. Okay, and then we're gonna use wooden stake. Okay, we're gonna use silver pole. Okay, doesn't work. So the final one is bat wax candle. Not yet. 1 second. Bat wax candle, and now it basically we use bat. Okay, wait 1 second. Let's do this one. Okay, so join us is the second answer. So the first one is bat wax candle. Then the second one is join us. You receive this book, trendy tome, and now we're gonna go and investigate the second vampire monument. So we teleport to Verrock, and when we get to Verrock, we're gonna head northeast. Outside of the village, there's the lumber yard. That's where we're gonna be heading right now. And I'm doing this mini quest on Fresh Start World, so that's why. You're not gonna do it though. You're just gonna go to the spot and then wait, right? I'm almost finished, Jacob. I'm just finishing it right now. So we're gonna head to east after we headed north, and we're gonna pass the bank. We're gonna go to the exit right here. So we're gonna exit, and then we're gonna head northeast, just running like a kind of direct path. Okay, and we should see it any moment by now. So oh, here it is. All right, so here's the next vampire monument. Now we're gonna click on it, and so it says the well is rather shallow. You notice something near the bottom, so decide to try and drain the well. We're gonna try blood bucket first. Okay, so you scoop out of the liquid. You notice a gem at the bottom of the well, and then we're gonna use a crowbar. Okay, so crowbar is not useful. So blood bucket, then crystal pickaxe. Okay, so it's crystal pickaxe is the second option, and then we're gonna use a beautiful shizzle. And there we go. That's it. Now we've completed this. We're gonna head back to Fame. So let's teleport to Drainer Manor, Drainer Village. Sorry. And then I think after you've completed this quest and the other quests, the mini quests, you'll have access to all of the Halloween event activities. Okay, so now we're gonna head to Fame in the Drainer Manor. Let's head there right now. Doors right here. Yes. And so now we're gonna go to the basement of the Drainer Manor. We're gonna see Fame. And so she talks to us. We hand her the tome, and we hand her the glasses. She says that vampires like style, so that's what she figured out. And yeah, now we completed that. She gave me a cosmetic override, the Regalia cosmetic override. Now we're going to just finish talking to the wolves. So remember that you can't leave the Drainer Manor, so you have to teleport to Drainer Village once again and run back to the wolves, or to Luna, I should say. So that's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna run back to Luna. Okay, so we run back to Luna. And Luna's right here in the center east of the Drainer Village Manor. We talk to her. We talk about the mysterious woman. Greg and Ed come back in the meeting. They start talking and just ask them questions about their picnic. And we tell them that the woman that's mysterious is not dangerous. And now we've completed everything. So you get 3,000 tokens as you complete every quest. And now I have access to the entire Halloween event activities. Alright guys, that's all I gotta do today. I gotta go now, so take care and have a good one. Ciao.